Yeah. Rigondas gatve 5.
Yeah, Rigondas gatve 5. Today on the 6th of August 2024, it's in Imanta, one of the burbs of Riga, Latvia. Oh, original buttons here, look.
Yeah.
Oh, it was built in 1984 or?
Yes.
Oh, amazing. Amazing fact, 2 rides here.
Yeah. No 14 club. Huh, strange.
It's not pop out.
Yeah. It's.
Ah! But it is,
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah.
But then it's in use, or?
Yeah.
There is 14.
No.
Strange. But pop out 1984 still.
Yeah.
That's rare.
Yeah.
At the end, I left only one guard.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is the tallest floor. That's not in use. Yeah.
Yeah.
Back to the first floor. Love the sense and smell here.
Same here.
Is this still the best so far we've filmed today, or?
Yeah.
Because of pop-outs?
Yeah. Inspected by Boreal Veritas, maintained by Sheila.
Nobody's coming.
Yeah.
No, as long as it's still working on original.
Yeah.
But there could have been a floor indicator inside us.
Yeah.
A lamp indicator.
Yeah. Yeah, yes. Use the original button here.
Oh god, amazing.
The other one also has an original button here.
Very amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, that was the 11, no, 13, but it's
Yeah.
not in use.
Yes, nothing.
Oh, strange. To the first floor. But still one ride in the left, or?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not original.
Yeah.
But even if some of the outside are original on it,
Yeah.
I guess we don't have enough time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, no, not this one.
Yeah, there's still one right here.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. 12, yeah. But
Oh, strange. Huh.
11.
Yeah.
It was weird.
Yeah.
And also they are separate.
Yeah. Let's see. Serial number is 24081 or yes.
What was it? Zero in the
Yeah.
number, that one.
Yeah, we have to check it.
Also built in 1984.
Yeah. Inscripted by Borea Veritas maintenance machine, you can press.
Fifth floor, I think. Oh, that's there. They cancelled the call and stopped in the fifth floor.
Yeah.
We're back on the first one.
Yeah, that's